So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. You now want to run the Windows Update diagnostic, so you want to click on yes. If it detects anything, it will try to solve your problem. If not, you can talk to an agent, so you can click on yes and then talk to an agent. If you don't want to do that though, that's fine. We're going to move on to the next method. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.